And today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Snapchat not available. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of Snapchat not available, you should just go to settings. Here we click up default apps app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click here in this page. Then this list of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.